Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come in stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q4 Sportback S-line 45 E-tron. This particular model is finished in the stunning Pebble grey paintwork and looks very modern and stylish from every angle. From the 210 kilowatt battery you get 281 brake horsepower with 545 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 around 6.5 seconds, whilst having enough space for you and all your family. On the front wheel, these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 20-inch 5Y spoke alloy wheels finished in graphite grey with a diamond cut finish, offering lovely contrast to that grey Pebble paintwork. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened with a touch of the button to reveal ample room for your everyday items, including your charging cables or even enough space for your weekend away luggage. The interior is finished in twin black leather with contrasting grey stitching for maximum luxury, and with the comfort elements you have the centre armrest with dual cup holders, as well as your tri-zone climate control so the rear passengers can set a different temperature. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front wheel, the E-tron style multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit and central touchscreen display, as well as the dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with S badge embossing at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the touch sensitive controls on the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice controls with mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. Stay connected with the central touchscreen display, giving you access to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist, which brings up the front and rear sensors and rear camera to make parking all the easier. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 level heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you'd like to look at this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.